SD cards fail all the time, and when they do, your files suddenly become unreadable. If your card just got corrupted, don't panic. In this video, we'll show you the real methods to fix it and recover your data. Before you try fixing a corrupted SD card, recover your data first. Many repair methods, such as formatting, can overwrite your files, making recovery impossible. To keep your data safe, stop using the SD card immediately, don't format it even if your device asks you to, and create a byte-to-byte backup if you can. To recover your data safely, you can use Disk Drill. It's simple, works on both Windows and Mac, and lets you scan the SD card or create a full byte-to-byte backup before you start any repairs. Download and install Disk Drill on your computer, not on the SD card. We'll leave the download link in the description. Then, connect your corrupted SD card using a card reader. Open Disk Drill and choose Byte-to-Byte Backup from the sidebar. Select your SD card and click Create Backup. Choose where to save the backup and make sure you have enough space. Wait for the backup to finish. Now you can recover your files safely. To do it, go to Storage Devices and click Attach Disk Image. Select the backup you just created and click Search for lost data. When results appear, click Review Found Items to browse them. Use filters to find the files you want, then select them. Click Recover. Save everything to a different drive, never back to the SD card. Another option, if DIY recovery doesn't work, is professional data recovery. It's pricey, but experts use advanced tools that handle even severe damage, including physical issues like broken connectors or water exposure. Once your data is recovered, you can move on to fixing the corrupted SD card. In this video, we'll show the most effective methods, but we also have a full guide on our website with even more solutions. We'll leave the link in the description below. And now, let's start with the simplest check. Connect your SD card to another device to rule out issues with your computer or card reader. If the card works normally elsewhere, the problem is on your computer, usually a faulty reader or missing drivers. Once the SD card works on another device, you can move on to repairing file system issues in Windows. The easiest way to do that is with CHKDSK, a built-in tool that scans the card, fixes errors, and recovers readable data. Insert your SD card and note its drive letter in Windows Explorer. Open Windows Terminal with administrator rights. Type the CHKDSK X, / or command and press Enter. Replace X with your card's letter. If Windows asks to dismount the card, type Y and continue. Wait for the scan and repairs to finish. Don't close the terminal while it's working. If your SD card's partition table is corrupted and Windows can't recognize it properly, you can try fixing it with Test Disk. It's a free, open-source tool that can recover lost partitions, and while it looks technical, the process is actually straightforward. First, download Test Disk from the official website and extract the folder. Open testdisk_win.exe as administrator and choose to create a new log file. Use the arrow keys to select your SD card. You can confirm it's the right one by checking the storage size. Press Enter to continue. Test Disk will detect the partition table automatically. For most SD cards, it will be Intel, MBR, so just accept the default option. Choose Analyze to scan the card's partition structure. Then select Quick Search to look for lost or deleted partitions. You can press P on any result to preview its contents. When you find the right partition, change its status from deleted to primary using the left and right arrow keys. Then choose Write to save the new partition table. Restart your computer so Windows can load the updated structure. If you don't need the data on your SD card or you've already recovered everything important, you can fix the corruption by formatting the card in Windows. Open Windows Explorer and go to this PC. Right-click your SD card and choose Format. Select FAT32 or exFAT, these are the best file systems for SD cards. Make sure Quick Format is checked and click Start. If you uncheck it, Windows will perform a full format, which scans the entire card for bad sectors but permanently erases all data. And that's it, your SD card will be freshly formatted and ready to use again. We hope this guide helped you fix your SD card. To avoid corruption in the future, always eject the card safely, avoid swapping it between too many devices, keep some free space on it, and format it directly in your camera or phone. Thanks for watching, and good luck! If you still have questions, drop them in the comments, we'll do our best to help you out.